Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are in the mood to change up your pixie haircut, this video will definitely feature some stunning styles. The first one is of these retro waves. This influencer recently cut her hair and she's on a mission to just create these gorgeous trendy hairstyles. So she does add some beautiful little gems to this as well. Love the retro waves with the modern twist with the gems. And then if you want to keep things a little bit more basic, here's just how to style and curl super short hair. So she has a very small curling wand that she's using, and she created kind of like this nice messy texture with this. Gorgeous. Love her with a pixie haircut. For the longest time she had a bob, and I'm loving this pixie. So next up, if you're looking for some more ways to style short hair with accessories, she has a great variety of very trendy ideas. So she uses a scarf and this first clip to make a headband. This is a simple little everyday style. And then with the next one, she does play around with some beautiful pearl clips. This is just a great way to add a little something to your everyday style once again. And then we have, of course, bobby pins. So she pretty much lays them together to create a crisscross effect, which in itself always kind of jazzes up the hair. And then here she is pretty much styling her pixie cut. So she shows you how she blow dries it. And she blow dries it in the back and leaves texture of her natural texture in the front with a little bit of a slight wave. Love the angled bang that she has. This is such a fun pixie. And then we see more of a retro style pixie with the bangs. This is more of like a bowl cut. And she styles this with the flat iron. Lots of volume with this haircut. It looks perfect with her eyebrows, makeup, everything. Gorgeous. And then here she styles her hair once again with the flat iron, but this time her hair is a little bit more like straighter. And she doesn't have as much of a curl as she did with the last look. And then the last way that she is going to be styling the hair is with a wave iron. Now, to me, when I first saw this, I was like, wow, she's really using a wave iron to curl the pixie cut. I've never seen this done before, because every time I see the wave iron, it just looks like it would be too big. But she does a great job of just adding just a nice slight wave to the hair with this wave iron. Beautiful, love the results, very messy, chic. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to get some creative ideas for styling your pixie cut within this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like, and I will see you in the next one.